Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new reaction video. Emerald Logic here, and today I'm going to be reacting to special collaborations. Romance Writer and RobertWho. So anyway, let's get started with Romance Writer. Hold on a sec. Okay, that's her. I see you're trying to research something. Teleportation?
I know I said I wouldn't try this sort of thing, but I want to try and improve my magic a little more. Kind of like spellcasters in Sims 4.
This is a pretty bad idea.
I like that.
And normally I like the dangerous stuff.
Yeah, I
Me
know.
too.
But I want to do more than just magic. I want to make potions and maybe try summoning something or someone.
What are you going to do anyway?
After reading some of these books from the library, I decided I want to try my hoof at summoning some pony. I heard the doors in the Rift Cafe
Or
have
some
all
cat.
disappeared, with some locked in their rooms. I want to at least help out some of them before they go absolutely insane.
Yeah, that's a good point.
Shouldn't you try with something a little less complicated?
Yes, but I want to help these creatures out first. I want it to be a priority.
Okay, but if anything goes wrong, don't come crying to me.
Okay, let's draw circles here and here, then the cutie mark of who I want to summon. Now to cast a spell and say the name 3 times. Hope it doesn't turn out like the Bloody Mary legend.
Yeah, definitely.
Bear with me.
Let's summon RobertWho.
Lights first. RobertWho, RobertWho, RobertWho. I summon thee.
Ooh, what did you summon? Is it RobertWho? Oh my goodness. It's beautiful. It's fluffy. It's me. The cat with no hat. Kind of a reference to Cat in the Hat, huh?
Finally. I'm finally at the... Wait, what? This looks nothing like the Rift. Where am I?
You're a long way from home, Utter
Not
Me.
a rift door is my front door. Oh, wait. The better question is who or what are you? You're not the pony I wanted to summon.
Hi, my name is Emerald. I'm a yokai.
Romance Writer.
Yeah,
Unicorn.
back in the day.
Did I summon a demon? Please don't take my soul. I don't want to go down there.
You know, I really do miss the good old days sometimes.
Well, first off, I'm not a demon. Demons have horns, and I clearly do not.
Well, yeah, it's obvious.
I didn't hear you crying to me, so I thought I'd, What happened?
I can ask you the same thing. Wait, are you a demon?
No, but I'm pretty sure that my creator was a demon worshipper, trying to make me evil and heartless.
Aw, come on. What did I do wrong? Was it the spell or what I said?
Wait, can I see that book?
Okay, let's see that book.
Okay, I see. It says how to summon a familiar.
What?
The librarian said it was called How to Summon a Figure. Ah! She screwed me over!
Want me to do something?
Save all that for a more dire situation. Also, I don't think she's into mares.
Good point.
Well, maybe I can help you. I can teleport too.
Why, yes, I am made of magic after all.
Anything to help me with this? I have to spend time with a big cat.
Haha, very funny.
That's usually where I get my magic from.
Yay, we're at the beach! Come on, let's have some fun!
Right behind you.
I guess that's what inspired me to make my beach dimension.
Hopefully everyone gets their doors back again. I wonder what happened. but I ain't gonna give up on trying to help them out.
Interesting. Emerald Logic, that's me. Lightning Bliss. Wow, there's a lot of names here. Thanks for watching. Well, that was pretty cool. So guys, big shout outs to Romance Writer. She's a really great animator and a really great artist. I support her. Anyway, on to the next reaction. Alright guys, today we're going to react to RobertWho's reaction. Or RobertWho's collaboration. It's pretty cool, and the best part. Whew. Finally. It's me again. I'm settled into my... So you probably notice a few changes of my OC. Well, I have Reality Check to thank for that. If you want to check out his stuff, click the link down below. He's a really great artist. New dimensional place. Now, let's go over the checklist one more time. Let's see here. Moving boxes, checked. Applications, check. One sword, check. Spell table, check. Emerald box, check. I think I got everything. Yes. Wait, hold on a sec. Oh no. I forgot building materials for my new house. Oh no. Oh well. I guess I could try finding someone in the Rift Cafe to help me find building materials. Teleportation, go. Whoa! Whoa! I really do like the cat noise I made. And I really do like this intro RobertWho made. Very impressive. Cool, isn't it? Whew. Okay, that could have gone a lot better. Aw, man. I'm so far away from the Rift Cafe. Oh, man. Now how am I going to get over? What the? How? Where? Why? What is that? How is there a telephone booth all the way out here? It's the phone booth. Wait, I can use this telephone booth to call for help in the Rift Cafe. Hooray, I'm not screwed. Well, thank goodness. Now, let's see here. Wait, there's a note here. Dialed 1107 for help. Okay, I definitely need help. Wow, it's an endless hallway. Kind of similar to the Rift Cafe, but a little different. Nice room and library. Do you see that? That's the picture Zim made. Well, Zemarai made. It's pretty impressive. Brings back the good old days. Interesting. You know, guys, you're probably wondering the backstory of my OC. Well, a long time ago, my OC was a normal cat, a familiar to his master. But the cat passed away. But the master he did desperate things to bring the cat back. So he used, necromancing to bring him back to life. It worked, but not in the way he expected, and, this is the result of his magic. Oh well. Is that a lava pool? Interesting. The kitchen. The main control room. Very impressive. Cool. Looks very nice. Wow, this is a very long reaction video. I'm still wondering what happened to that picture. That's interesting. All these pictures look okay except for this one. The one who wants to forget. The one who has regret. We don't talk about him. I'm sorry. Huh? Wait, who are you?
I'm RobertWho, and this picture should have been completely destroyed a long time ago. But I guess you can't erase everything, I guess. Anyways, Emerald, it seems you used the Void phone booth. I found the Void a long time ago, and it's the same place Wanderer Yonder found.
Interesting.
It's an incredible, powerful, mysterious place. Over the years, I might have changed the door, but its function is still being used today. I recently changed the door to a telephone booth. I built it as an easier way for Bronys and reviewers to get to my TARDIS, and if people need any help from me. But it only has one flaw. It can only go in one direction, and I need to fix the bugs out of it. So I have to drop people back off at their home dimensions every time. So I guess you need some help with something, am I right?
Wait, how do you know my name? Wait,
Pretty
you're
cool.
the one that Romance Writer tried to summon.
Correct. Also, I know a lot of people's names here in the Rift Emerald. I'm an interdimensional time traveler, after all. But back to my previous question, what can I help you with?
Oh, okay. So I need some new building material. I kind of forget when I was moving into my new place.
Oh, okay, I think I got something.
Yeah, I live in a beach dimension.
But that's going to have to wait. We've got trouble going on right now, so let's head to the bridge.
Sure thing.
Zoe, what's coming up on the computer monitor? Right. I knew this was kind of a bad idea.
What's going on?
Sorry, we're going through an interdimensional time vortex, but not just any interdimensional time vortex. We are going through the Markiplier timeline from In Space with Markiplier.
Oh yeah, I was going to do a reaction of that.
Space-time continuum messed up by traveling arrow. There
Kinda
is
forgot
a
about it.
rainbow crack that I need to fix near Equestria Prime. I'm trying to take a shortcut to get to it. When traveling arrow broke the Rift Cafe generator's core, he not only broke the space-time continuum, he also tore through the fabric of reality and dimensions. Note to self-boot traveling arrow when I see him again. If you think about it, the Rift core generator by its definition is a magical generator that stabilizes basically a healthy fabric of space-time. VoiceofReason built the generator way before the Rift Cafe even existed. I know this because I was there when he built it, and the cafe, but more kinda like in the background. But anyway, since Traveling Arrow broke the Rift generator core, I've been having to go around the multiverse itself and basically patch up the tears through dimensions in reality itself. With dimensional duct tape, mind you. The Fate Sisters temporarily fixed a good portion of the cracks messed up by Arrow, but I'm just sort of patching things up here.
Why does those names sound familiar?
A lot of cracks and dimensions to fix up.
So why are you taking a shortcut through this time vortex?
I'm trying to bypass the cosmic zone. It's a very dangerous zone, mind you. Lots of meteorites and rift rocks, pirates.
Pirates? In space?
Oh yeah, some good, some bad. I usually hang over here because it's far away from danger and Skyheart and Dark Flare. Those guys are constantly trying to take my TARDIS.
I know Skyheart. He's a great dude. Maybe someday we can do a collaboration. Well, someday.
But today, the cosmic zone is having a lot of cosmic storms over there today, so to get to Equestria Prime, I'm having to take the interdimensional shortcut route.
So, Robert, are you... You both look different now.
Huh. I don't feel any different. I don't think I have anything changed about me. Still got my bow tie though. How about you, Zoe? Zoe? Your mane, your tail. They're green.
Robert, I told you you needed to fix that.
Ooh, no swearing.
Wait a minute. I can speak again. And I sound like a watered-down Markiplier.
No swearing.
Sorry, I lost my temper again.
Zoe, it was bad.
Oh boy.
But now I have to hear it in English.
I think my brain just stopped it.
Captain Zoe, sir. Not exactly how I wanted to read it under these circumstances.
It's a pleasure to meet you.
Yeah, just wish I had a marriage voice, though.
RobertWho, I hate to ask you this, but what is Equestria Prime?
Equestria Prime is the same as the original Equestria. Same history, same characters, but with one major difference. Its timeline has Bronys mixed into it. Equestria Prime is basically a copy-paste version of the real Equestria. I made a deal a long time ago with Fate herself. If she will let the Bronys stay in the Rift, I will become a Fate Guardian. And one other thing she wanted me to do, but I don't want to discuss it. So let me get this Rainbow Rift track fixed up, and I will help you get your house all fixed up in your dimension.
Nice. Okay, I'm confused. How is this my new house, Robert?
This is shiftwood. It's a special type of wood that can be only found on my home planet, Gallifrey. One little splinter can be sold on the black market for 1 million bits or dollars, depending on what dimension you go to. Only time pools can shape and build objects with shift wood. So, place the shift wood where you want your house to be and step back in your world.
If that's true, we could use that to actually create the Rift Rocket. Maybe someday.
There you are, Emerald. One beach house condo.
Oh my gosh, it's beautiful.
I give you a lot more space and you have more room to work with over time. Well, Emerald, I love to stay and chat, but the fates are calling me. So I will see you in the future.
Bye, RobertWho. Tell Romance Writer I said hi.
We'll do, Emerald. Come on, Zoe. Adventure awaits us.
Yeah, sure, a lot of all those requests to do with this.
Seriously?
Zoe, you're doing it again.
Ugh.
Wait, where's the emerald box? Oh, Jack's not gonna be happy.
You bet he's not going to be happy. Let's just cross our fingers Danger doesn't open the Emerald Box, or that could be all bad for the Rift Cafe. Well, guys, I think I'm going to end the video here. So thanks for watching this video. Big shout outs to RobertWho and RomanceWriter for making these. They're really cool and really great animators. They have my support. So guys, please like and subscribe and hit the like button. Well, hit the bell button to be notified. Emerald Logic signing off.